Alam nyo ba na may hotel sa Quezon City na pet-friendly at budget-friendly rin? Yes, Red Planet Hotels welcomed us and our little one. Located right here sa Timog Avenue, Quezon City, so convenient and super accessible. From the moment we walked in, feel namin welcome si Fur Baby. Ang babait ng staff, plus affordable lang, lalo na kung magbubook kayo via Klook using the promo code ANIBLIGHTKLOOK. Anyway, punta na tayo sa room, keycard access, syempre. Double room na sakto lang yung size, cozy, well-lit, and super clean, perfect for a short and chill stay. May TV, full-size mirror, hair dryer, safe, and wall-mounted foldable table. And yung bathroom, simple lang pero malinis at mabango. With hot and cold water in the shower and sink. 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Meron silang water refilling station sa baba. Hot and cold na rin yan, kaya huwag kalimutang magdala ng tumbler. May free parking din sila. Ito nga pala yung lobby area at pwede kayong makigamit ng computer dyan. Ang maganda pa rito, spot talaga to ng mga food trips. Paglabas mo ng hotel, nandyan ang mga restaurants, coffee shops, convenience stores, and yung Kim's Ramyun 24 hours open at pet-friendly rin. So, kung team puyat ka or bigla kang nag-crave, sold ka rito. Ito yung mga branches kung saan allowed ang pets. Super smooth and fun experience. Sa totoo lang, ang sulit na nito for as low as 1,500. Good for 2 na yan. Lalo na if you book via Klook, pet fee is 600 pesos per night. Para makamura, palagi lang gamitin yung promo code na nandiyan sa screen para may extra discount pa.